Role of voluntary organization in India after independence. The meaning of voluntary organization. The term voluntary is taken from the Latin language. Means volunteers, which means will or freedom. In another word, voluntary means something willingly, not because you are forced, but you choose by you to do without any compulsion and force. Definition of voluntary organization. Voluntary organization is an organization which is initiated and governed by its own members without any external control, irrespective of whether it is workers are paid or not paid. Thus, voluntary organizations have always played a pioneering role, ideal role. Whether it was a case of an individual in disaster or an emergency caused by flood. What is the rule of opening voluntary organization and characteristics? First, a voluntary organization should be registered under the Society Registration Act. A voluntary organization should have definite aims and objectives for their achievement. A voluntary organization should have administrative structure and constitution management and executive committee. A voluntary organization is initiated and governed by its own members on democratic principles without any external control. Fifth, it raises funds for its activity. When the state does not have financial resource and manpower to meet all needs of its citizens, it is voluntary organization which have the responsibility of providing them a minimum need. Voluntary organization also helps the state itself in the area which are exclusive for the government, but for which it was limited source. Example, education, health and security. Voluntary organization provides various activities to those persons who don't participate in the activities of the state through politics and government. Voluntary organization also perform teaching and education people. And the policy and program of the government towards their welfare and their rights and organize public support against the wrong practice of the government.